through here. So I request everyone to make your video visible. There is an option down towards your screen which is saying start your video, because I really need to see your beautiful, beautiful, beautiful faces who are ready to give their first auditions. Please make your video visible. Isha, Leena, Ashi, Rani, and everyone. Okay, so I can see pretty much beautiful faces over here. So welcome you all to Forever Star India, Forever Miss and Mrs. India 2021. It's your first auditions and I know you are so nervous, excited, thrilled to give your first auditions. पर nervous मत हो, हम आपको यहाँ पे जानने आए हैं. जैसे कि आप हमें जान चुके हैं थोड़ा सा ऑडिशंस बुक कराने के टाइम पे कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म क्या कहना चाहता है. आज हम आपको जानेंगे कि who you are, what are your hobbies and what you're passionate about. So myself Shefali, I am the project director and your host of Forever Star India. Let me welcome Harry Khosa ma'am, who is the project coordinator. So give a round of applause to Harry Khosa ma'am. Johan ma'am, who is again the project director of Forever Star India. So again a round of applause to her. And Bhavita Gupta, who is the business development executive of our Forever Star India. So again a round of applause for her. Very nice. So let's get started with your auditions. I know you are nervous, again I will say, but आपको अपने बारे में बताना है. So what you have to do, you have to give your introduction. Introduction छोटा रखना, stating your name, your age, your hobbies, and आप crown क्यों जीतना चाहते हैं? Because ultimately हम crown जीतने के लिए आए हैं. We want to wear those, beautiful dresses designed by fashion designers and wearing those crowns. So get ready for that. Again, उसके बाद में आपको अपना rank walk करके बताना है. So we will be calling you names one by one. आपका name call होगा. उसके बाद में आपको अपने बारे में बताना है and you have to give your rank walk. That is the 2 rounds of rank walk. Okay, so that is the procedure for our. And again, I wanted to say that ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट आपको आपके ऑडिशन के बाद में within 48 hours you will receive by Monday positively, which will state you that आपने कैसा ऑडिशन दिया है. So let's boost you up a little bit more. थोड़ा सा enthusiasm, exciting और बढ़ाते हैं. And I would like Jaya ma'am to give you some partly and exciting words so that you get boosted up and get ready for your audition. So over to you, Jaya ma'am.
Thank you so much, Shefali. Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I can see some pretty faces. Some of them are nervous. Some of them are very excited. So yeah, you are here. The day is here. The audition day is here. You do not need to be worried about anything. It's a women-centric organization, first of all. So it's there is a sense of security, and the organization is also providing you an audition report card. So you are going to get a lifetime of validity with this audition report card, and that will be provided to you within 48 hours of your audition. So that will be updated to your emails, or that will be updated to your WhatsApp numbers. And yes, definitely the dream is to win the crown, as well as be confident in your auditions so that you can be yourself. You have to be the best version of yourself. That is the main thing. आपको क्राउन कैसे मिलेगा? क्राउन सिर्फ एक को मिलेगा, राइट? द मेन क्राउन, बट देयर आर सिटी विनर्स, देयर आर स्टेट विनर्स. सो उस क्राउन के लिए यू हैव टू बी द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट, राइट? एम आई राइट? कैन आई सी द thumbs up? Great, that's great. So over to Harry now. I would like to see all of you with your introduction. Just be confident enough and just give your best. That's all I have to say. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jaya. Thank you so much. All right, ladies, welcome to Forever Star India. I hope you guys are doing great. And can I please see some smiles across the screen? Come on. There are beautiful women sitting up there. Each of you looks extremely interesting. And I'm sure you guys are interesting, unique individuals who have a lot to tell. So there's just one humble request. I will be going on one-on-one from here, you know, with a very singular interaction. Make sure आप अपना mic mute पे रखें unless it's your turn to speak. And do not worry about anything like Jaya said. We are here to know more about you guys, and we are very, very sure that you are going to contribute in a very strong way. और एक बहुत important बात, language should not be a barrier. Language आपके सपनों के बीच में नहीं आनी चाहिए. तो अगर आप हिंदी में comfortable हैं, please हिंदी में बात कीजिए. अगर आप English में comfortable हैं, we are good to go. So let's get started and let's hear it from Shomila first. Also, excuse me if I mispronounce anybody's name. I'm still trying to figure out. So yeah, hi Shomila, how are you?
Hello everyone. I'm good, and thank you so much for having me here in this meeting first. So I'll just quickly start with my introduction round. So my name is Shomila Ramola, and my age is 30 years. Of course, I'm married, and from my hobbies, I think the first hobby that I have is learning and growing, because professionally I am a software engineer. So it has been inculcated into me from a very beginning time that you have to learn new technologies, and only then you can keep up to the pace of the market. So that is how I've built things. So it has become a part of my nature now, and because of that I've learned numerous things, like I've earned diploma in yoga. Then recently I am doing a course in numerology, which is occult sciences. Apart from that, I also, since I am an engineer and I love coding, so I love exploring different technologies. Recently I started blogging also, because I have a passion for writing as well. And taking part in this competition is actually very essential for me. First thing, because I think it would give me a fame that I earned for many years. But because of my professional career, I turned towards an educational driven field, that is the IT industry. But yes, I would obviously, since I love to explore and learn, I would like to learn a lot from this industry, and I would like to put the best forward of myself here. So that is the thing, and that is the reason that I'm here. Also because I have a big bucket list, and this is one of the top items in that bucket list which I want to achieve, and I will leave no stone unturned to win this competition. So yeah, that's all about me.
Makes complete sense, Shomila. Seems like you fit the perfect idea of women who are really, really looking forward to explore new opportunities, and your streamline of work so far speaks for itself. So thank you for putting out so well about yourself, and I would just request you to start with your RAM walk right away.
Yeah, sure. Just give me a moment. Yeah, I'm setting this camera and everything here.
Thank you, Shomila. Thank you so much. It was an absolute pleasure talking to you. Let me just move forward, and I'll get back to you in a while.
Sure.
Mohina Kaur. Hi, Mohina. How are you? Mohina, आप mute पे हैं. Can you please put your mic on?
Oh, so sorry. Hello, ma'am. Good evening. I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, please proceed with the introduction.
So my name is Mohina. I am 28 years old. I belong to Chandigarh, and presently I'm working in Punjab and Haryana High Court as a junior assistant. I'm passionate about life. In order to gain positive energy from every nook and corner, I try my level best. As far as my hobbies are concerned, I love to play basketball. And winning this crown would really lead me to a great accomplishment, and being a part of Forever Star India is a pleasure in itself. Moreover, I am a good orator, and being a good orator, this crown winning will give me an opportunity to showcase my talent by delivering out some messages towards the society. Apart from this, I'm a student of good academic background, I want to prove myself that yes, beauty exists with brain. This is completely right. And yes, I am a similar case of it. Thank you.
Great, great. It was lovely hearing from you, Mohina. You seemed very well prepared. So now I just request you to start with your round walk.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Thank you, Mohina. Thank you so much. You could sit back comfortably and I'll get back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Mahalakshmi till then. Hi, Mahalakshmi.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. You tell me, how are you?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking me.
Okay, go ahead with the introduction. अपने बारे में please मुझे कुछ बताइए.
Yes. First of all, very happy and I'm excited to participate in this opportunity. I'm very thankful to FSI for this giving me opportunity. Thank you so much because this is my passion from my childhood. And starting my introduction, my name is Mahalakshmi. I'm 25 years old. I have married at the age of 18 itself. So I'm not any graduated girl. And my hobbies are I love to dance, hearing songs, listening to music, driving a car, etc. And I chosen the opportunity for proving myself in different multitasking women and a role model for many women who are in stuff in the house. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, makes complete sense, Mahalakshmi. You already seem like a multitasker since your hobbies are so variant. So now I request you to start with your walk.
Yeah. Sure. Just a minute.
Sure, absolutely.
Ma'am, one question, please. Sorry.
Yes, Mahalakshmi, tell me.
Is it comfortable to see me in my cultural sari? This is my desire.
Absolutely. You look extremely pretty. Please go ahead.
Okay.
Thank you, Mahalakshmi. Thank you so much. You could sit back and I'll get back to you in a while. तब तक
Thank you.
रचना से बात करते हैं. Hi Rachna, how are you? रचना आप म्यूट पे हैं, अपना माइक ऑन कीजिए.
Sorry, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
I am good. Thank you for asking. Please proceed with the introduction.
I am Rachna Sanghani. I am from Morbi, Gujarat. I belong to a Gujarati family. Kam chho?
I really don't know Gujarati, so I can't help. मैं गलत आंसर नहीं देना चाहूंगी, but please proceed.
Okay, ma'am. I am married from 6 months. And I do my own work. I am 25-year-old. I am a working woman. I do a wedding decoration plates in Gujarat, Morbi. And I educated to a LLB BCA. And I like to something new from models, singing, dancing. I like it. And I'm a good bathroom singer. Okay, ma'am. That's it. And I like to singing and dancing also. I like a Kathak dance, but I don't know that. Okay, that's all, ma'am.
it's completely all right. मुझे भी नहीं आता है, so it works great both ways. तो अभी रचना मुझे ये बताइए कि आप यहाँ पे आपका इस प्लेटफॉर्म का क्या सपना है? What are your aspirations?
मेरे लिए ये सब कुछ बिल्कुल नया है। आई एम न्यू फ्रॉम हियर, क्योंकि मॉडलिंग वो सब ऐसे टीवीज में देखे है, बाकी ऐसे रियल में मैंने कुछ मॉडलिंग या कुछ नहीं किया है। आई एम रियली रियली एक्साइटेड फ्रॉम दिस, क्योंकि कोई आज तक मैंने किसी गुजराती लड़की को ऐसे मॉडलिंग करते हुए वैसे नहीं देखा है। सो आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड।
Okay,
और
thank you. आज पहला कदम आपने इस तरफ में ले लिया है एंड ऑलरेडी आप एक गुजराती लड़की को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हैं, सो आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनी बेटर चांस टू सी यू वॉक, सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू स्टार्ट विद योर आर्म वॉक.
ओके मैम, जस्ट अ मिनट. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I can see you. You can start. All right. Thank you, Rachna. Thank you so much. You can sit back and I shall move forward to Suhani. Hi, Suhani.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Very fine.
Okay, so let's hear about you. Come on, go ahead.
So, a refreshing good evening to one and all present over here. My name is Suhani Mitra. I am from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. I am 18 years old. I am a commerce student of class 12th. So, basically, my hobbies are dancing and especially singing. So, I like to sing some kinds of emotional and sad songs sometimes. And drawing, as in my free time I used to draw some kind of sketches, sorry, and modeling, as I want to become a very successful model in my life. And the main motive to participate in this competition, FSIA, is to represent my country. I want to represent my country. I want to i want to become a fame of my country. And the day I will represent my country, that will be a very successful and very memorable day in my life, and very I could say very proud moment for me and my parents.
Absolutely. Makes sense, Suhani. And since you have put yourself out so well and you are...
Just wait a minute, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Suhani. Thank you so much. And let me just move forward to Aishi Bhattacharjee. Hi, Aishi. How are you?
Hello, Harry, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are perfectly audible. I hope I have pronounced your name right, though.
Yes, ma'am. It's Aishi.
Okay. So tell me something about yourself, Aishi.
Okay, first of all, good evening, everyone. I'm Aishi Bhattacharjee from West Bengal, Kolkata. I have just passed out from school this year and entered college. And I'm very nervous as well as excited to be here today. So my hobbies are singing and drawing. As my bio mentioned, that I have already completed junior diploma in singing, both classical and Rabindra Sangeet. And I have completed 6th year in drawing while I was still in standard 10. And today I'm here, I'm really overjoyed. I feel like this platform is really unique. It's just not looking for people who are beautiful, it's also hunting for talent all across our country. So I'm really proud to be a member and be present in this audition. And yeah.
Thank you, Aishi. Thank you for the compliment towards the platform. The team is really elated, and you just got that right. We are not looking for just. It doesn't matter अगर आप इस background से हैं या नहीं हैं. We are here to help you, to guide you, to ensure that if you are talented and passionate enough, we will give you the right kind of opportunity to work on yourself. And that brings me to the question, Aishi, why this platform? What are your aspirations? Where do you see yourself, in 5 years?
Well, I have.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you now. Go ahead.
Okay. So actually, I really aspired to become a model ever since I was a kid. And I feel like this platform is actually providing me the chance to live my dreams. And of course, I really want to win the crown. And I'm willing to do everything to do so in order to achieve my dreams. So yeah.
Great. So Aishi, can we have your walk, please?
Yeah, sure. I just need to set up my camera. So just give me 2 seconds, please, ma'am.
Go ahead with
Okay,
that.
thank you.
All right. Thank you, Aishi. Thank you so much. You could sit back and I'll get back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Lavishka. Yeah. Hi, Lavishka. How are you?
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
I'm fine. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. Please start with the introduction.
Uh, thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And myself, Avishka Jaswani, just passed 12th class, and I am aspirant of JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. And recently, I am appearing for college exams, as I know. And my hobbies are horse riding. I am a sport person, and acting, modeling, dancing.
Okay.
That's all.
So does Lavishka want to become an actor or does she want to become a model?
Both.
Both? The final goal is actor, I guess?
Yes.
The final goal is actor, I am assuming?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Lavishka, for letting us know. And please start with your ramp walk.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Lavishka. Thank you so much. I'll move forward to
Welcome.
Hi, Isha. ईशा आप म्यूट पे हैं, अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए. हाय, कैसी हैं आप?
I'm fine. And you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. Please अपने introduction शुरू कीजिए.
Yeah. Future belongs to those who live the life of their dreams. Hi everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you. I am Isha Putswani, 5.5 inches tall, 41 years old, from the beautiful city Kalyan, Mumbai. Yes, Mumbai, the city of dreams. So here I want to live the life of my dreams, because the sky has no limit. Queen of house by profession and nail artist by passion. If I want to describe myself in 2 words, I'm very much ambitious and very much passionate. My hobbies are cooking, painting, singing, of course, chatting with friends. According to me, success is not possible without hard working and determination. So I never give up in need of time. The motto of my life is if you can believe, you can achieve. If I win this contest, I definitely want to make my own identity apart from housewife. Beauty with purpose. Yes, I truly believe that one empowered person can make so many empowered persons. So I want to fulfill the purpose of serving the less privileged people than we are, as God created everyone equally, but we created discrimination. And I also represent my India henceforth. I also want to help those women who want to participate in beauty pageants, but because of only lack of financial efficiency, they cannot participate even though have talent. I would like to promote this talent. This is my childhood dream. Winning a crown is a big achievement for me. Hope you all like this. Thank you very much and a great evening ahead.
Thank you, Isha. Thank you so much. That was very well prepared, I must say, and you had your thoughts very sorted and clarified. So now I'd request you to start with your walk.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Isha. Thank you so much. You could sit back and I'll move forward to Sar. Look, hi, Sar. I hope you are doing good. Can you please unmute yourself?
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. You look so pretty.
Thank you. Thank you. How sweet. Please start with an introduction.
Yeah, I'm Sakshi Deshwal. I'm 18-year-old. I'm basically from UP Muradnagar, and my hobby is traveling and dancing. And I'm a dance teacher too. And ये crown जीतने के ना मेरे दो reason है. As a first, my childhood dream, and second, मैंने बहुत जगह सुना है कि मुझे मॉडलिंग के लिए हाइट बड़ी होने का भी जरूरी है. But मेरी height is 5 feet only. So Fisa give me a chance to show my talent. So thanks to you and thanks to Fisha. So that's why I want to win this.
Thank you, Sakshi, for putting that out. And यहाँ से मैं highlight करना चाहूँगी that the whole team would agree that our platform is very inclusive because beauty should not have standards. We have tried to keep it very, very inclusive. आपका height, आपका color, आपका weight should not be a constructive barrier आपके सपनों के बीच में. So thank you for putting that out, and I would request you to start with your walk.
I'll just take 1 minute.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Sakshi. Thank you so much. You could sit back and let's talk to Rupa Singh. Hi, Rupa. Okay, Rupa, can you hear me?
Hello.
Hi, Rupa. How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm good too. Thank you for asking. Please अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
I am a student. I belongs to Sivan. And I am simple family belongs.
Okay, Rupa, आप nervous हैं?
No. थोड़ा बहुत.
कोई बात नहीं. थोड़ा धीरे धीरे करते हैं. अब मुझे बताइए कि आपकी हॉबीज क्या क्या हैं. आपको एज एन इंडिविजुअल क्या करना पसंद है?
सिंपल मॉडलिंग करना पसंद है और बैडमिंटन खेलना पसंद है एज वेल. रीडिंग बुक.
ओके, एंड आपका इस प्लेटफॉर्म से क्या सपना है? आप मॉडल बनना चाहती हैं? आप एक्टर बनना चाहती हैं? व्हाट इज योर ड्रीम?
नहीं, my dream is model.
To become a model?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, sounds great. तो आपका वॉक देख सकते हैं? 2 rounds please.
Okay. Back camera.
Okay, thank you, Rupa. Thank you so much. You could sit back and let me hear it from Leena till then. Hi, Leena. Leena, can you hear me?
Hello. Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Hello. I'm good, ma'am. Thank you.
Please start with your introduction.
Yes. My name is Leena Patil and I hail from Maharashtra, Nagpur, but currently I'm staying in Bangalore, Karnataka. Yeah, and professionally I'm a software engineer and currently I'm associated with L&T Technology. And my hobbies are I like making videos, dancing, singing, and apart from that I like swimming, badminton, etc. And I'm here because I would love to win this crown because after in my graduation days I am very eager in acting, dancing, like activities, but because of some personal reason that time I am not going forward in this industry. So now I am very much comfortable and I'm very settled now to do this to come into this organization. So that's it. I'm here now.
Okay, makes complete sense. I am glad that finally you held the courage and confidence to, give time to your dream. So welcome and kudos to that. Leena, could we please have
Thank you. Yeah. Please let me know if I'm visible or not. I'm
Sure, I'll let you know. Yes, Leena, the frame looks fine. You can start with your... Yes. All right. Thank you, Leena. Thank you so much. You can sit down and I'll get back to you in a while. So for all those who have been really patient, I am trying to make it as fast as possible. So
Hello,
just,
ma'am. Hi. Hello.
yes,
Hello.
yes.
Yes, ma'am. Audition कर रही हूँ. Hello.
हाँ जी शिल्पा जी बोलिए.
मैम मेरा ऑडिशन नहीं हुआ अभी तक.
डोंट वरी शिल्पा, अभी काफी लोग पेंडिंग हैं. आई एम ट्राइंग टू होल्ड इट वन बाय वन. सो मैं आप सबके बारे में इक्वली जानना चाहती हूँ अच्छे से. सो आई वांट टू गिव इक्वल टाइम टू एवरीवन. सो आप थोड़ा वेट कीजिए. आई एम गेटिंग टू एवरीवन. ओके, तब तक मैं जानवी से बात करते हैं. हाय जानवी.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
आई एम गुड. हाउ आर यू?
I'm also fine. मैम मैं अहमदनगर सिटी महाराष्ट्र से हूँ और मैं अभी RTY में एडमिशन लिया है. मैंने BBSCA कर रही हूँ और ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, मतलब मैं बहुत दिनों से पहले से ही इसमें इंटरेस्टेड थी, लेकिन मैंने जब यूट्यूब पे सर्च किया मिस इंडिया के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए तो उसमें था कि 5.5 से आगे की हाइट चाहिए, तो मैं 5'4" की हूँ. तो और आपने हमें चांस दिया इसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. और मेरे हॉबीज, मुझे बाइक चलाना अच्छा लगता है और मुझे गार्डनिंग का बहुत शौक है और मुझे डांसिंग करना अच्छा लगता है, मुझे सिंगिंग करना अच्छा लगता है और मैं ड्राइंग में भी एक्सपर्ट हूँ. मुझे A ग्रेड है इंटरमीडिएट में. और अभी और क्या.
ओके, तो आपने बहुत ही अच्छे से बताया. अब मुझे ये बताइए कि आप आपका सपना क्या है? क्या आप मॉडल बनना चाहती हैं या आप एक्टर बनना चाहती हैं? इस प्लेटफॉर्म से आपका क्या सपना जुड़ा है?
मैं बस मेरी एक प्रोफाइल स्ट्रांग बने. मुझे लाइफ में मेरी एक अगर एक मतलब नॉर्मल लाइफ तो हर कोई जीता है, लेकिन कुछ खासियत होनी चाहिए. अगर हम कुछ कर सकते हैं तो उसके लिए हमें वो प्लेटफॉर्म भी मिलना. 1 मिनट. और मैं चाहती हूँ कि इसी के साथ में आगे बढ़ूँ, मेरी प्रोफाइल स्ट्रांग बने. और अगर करियर के बारे में पूछना चाहेंगे आप तो मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी कि मैं पुलिस सर्विस में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ. और इससे अगर मैं एक्टिंग में इंटर कर सकती हूँ तो वो मुझे अच्छा लगे.
ठीक है, बहुत ही बढ़िया जानवी. आपने बहुत ही अच्छे से अपने बारे में बताया. एंड आई वुड रियली रिक्वेस्ट यू टू स्टार्ट विद योर रैंप वॉक. थैंक यू जानवी, थैंक यू. आप बैठ सकती हैं एंड आई गेट बैक टू यू इन अ व्हाइल. एंड तब तक शिल्पा जी से बात करते हैं जो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हैं आई फील. हाय शिल्पा, हाउ आर यू?
हेलो मैम, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम गुड. अपने बारे में बताइए, सिंस आप बहुत ही एक्साइटेड लगी मुझे. आप
Actually, yes, ma'am. I'm very excited.
बोलिए.
My name is Shilpa. I'm 26 years old. Actually, मैं सिंपल से फैमिली से हूँ. मेरे हॉबीज बहुत है, लेकिन एक्चुअली घर पे थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है, इसकी वजह से मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड. मुझे कुछ मेरे अपना बनना है, कुछ अपने लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना है. इसके रिगार्डिंग मैंने इसमें अपॉर्चुनिटी देखी तो मुझे अप्लाई किया मैंने.
ठीक है, तो आपकी हॉबीज बहुत हैं, लेकिन वो क्या हैं ये आपको बताना पड़ेगा.
एक्चुअली मैं गुड एक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ, बहुत अच्छी मॉडल बनना चाहती हूँ. मेरी लाइफ में कुछ तो ऐसे मुझे खुद का बनना है जो मेरी लाइफ में खुद से आगे बढ़ना चाहती हूँ.
जी जरूर, आप जरूर बनेंगे. आई एम श्योर. आज आपने उसमें पहला कदम रख लिया है.
यस मैम.
लॉन्ग वे. एक्टिंग और मॉडलिंग के अलावा आप कुछ और एंजॉय करती हैं शिल्पा जी?
यस मैम, आई लव इट वीडियोस, टिकटॉक, आई लव इट. यस.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Shilpa. Can we please have your walk?
यस मैम, यस मैम.
Okay, I think her video is stuck. So I'll move forward till then. Shilpa, अगर आप मुझे सुन पा रही हैं, आपका वीडियो रुका हुआ है. I think there is some network issue. Don't worry, you can sit back and I'll move forward. Let's hear it from Sonia till then. Hi, Sonia.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah,
Ma'am,
go.
I'm Sonia Mehra from Jammu. I'm 29 years old and I'm working as a sales executive at Capson Fashion Private Limited, Jammu mein.
Okay.
So, ma'am, my hobbies is reading books, cooking and listening songs. I'm very excited and very nervous, ma'am, today.
It's okay. It's okay. मैं भी आपसे पहली बार मिल रही हूँ. मैं भी बहुत नर्वस हूँ, but I can't show. So yeah.
एक्चुअली मैम मैं जम्मू से मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं अकेली हूँ जो इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हूँ. तो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा हेजिटेशन भी हो रही है आपसे बात करते हुए. एक्चुअली हमारे यहाँ पे हमारी फैमिली में भी किसी ने भी आज तक ऐसा कुछ स्टेप नहीं आगे किया हुआ है. मैं ही फर्स्ट हूँ जो आगे इसमें कर रही हूँ, पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हूँ.
बहुत ही अच्छी बात है सोनिया. आप खुद में एक लीग शुरू करने जा रही हैं एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू आर नर्वस. बनता भी है, बट डोंट वरी, हम बहुत ही स्टेप बाय स्टेप चलेंगे. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग एंड आई वुड जस्ट रिक्वेस्ट यू टू स्टार्ट विद योर रैंप वॉक.
या श्योर मैम.
सी हो गया, ऑडिशन कंप्लीट हो गया. तो अभी आप पानी पी लीजिए एंड देन सिट बैक आराम से एंड आई विल गेट बैक टू यू इन अ व्हाइल.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
तो रानी से बात करते हैं. हाय रानी. रानी अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए.
हाय मैम.
कैसी हैं आप?
आई एम फाइन एंड यू?
आई एम गुड, थैंक यू फॉर आस्किंग. प्लीज अपने इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ शुरू करें.
जी मैम, मेरा नाम रानी शाह है. मैं उज्जैन मध्य प्रदेश से हूँ और मैं 23 इयर्स की हूँ. और मेरी हॉबीज ये है कि मैं एक मॉडलिंग, सिंगिंग एंड एक्ट्रेस बनूं. थैंक यू मैम.
ओके एंड रानी, अब आपकी वॉक देख सकते हैं हम प्लीज?
ओके मैम.
थैंक यू रानी, थैंक यू सो मच. अब आप बैठ सकती हैं. थैंक यू. यू कुड सिट बैक and let's hear it from Nisha till then. Hi Nisha, how are you?
Hi Hari ma'am.
How are you Nisha?
Yeah, I'm fine ma'am.
What about you?
I am good, thank you for asking. Please start with your introduction.
Hi, I'm Nisha Gaikwad. I'm a hairstylist. I'm a model, mother and a model. I'm a hairstylist in Lakme Salon.
Okay, that बहुत अच्छे से evidently दिख रहा है. You have the most interesting hairstyle across the screen. So अब मुझे ये बताइए, since you already hail from a modeling background, तो इस platform के साथ आपका क्या सपना जुड़ा है? Do you want to become a successful model or do you want to pursue acting as well?
No. I want to be a model, ma'am. This is my childhood dream.
Okay, makes sense. Thank you, Nisha. Can we please have your ramp walk?
मुझे बचपन से मैम मतलब पैशन था मॉडलिंग करना. आई एम 29 years old. 39 year old. I am very nervous right now.
You don't have to be. आप इतनी खूबसूरत लग रही हैं. आप इतने अच्छे से अपने बारे में बात कर रही हैं. And you know there is no hierarchy.
ओके. मॉडलिंग का कुछ आइडिया नहीं है क्योंकि मैं ये महाराष्ट्रियन फैमिली से बिलोंग करती हूँ तो कुछ आइडिया नहीं है, पर मुझे पैशन है कि मैं मॉडलिंग करूँ, आगे बढ़ूँ, कुछ करूँ मैं, इसलिए तो मैंने आपका मतलब आपको थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ, ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है कि मैं मेरा अपना अचीव, मेरा जो गोल है, मेरा पैशन है, वो मैं आगे जाके और बड़ा ये कर सकती हूँ, आगे ले जा सकती हूँ, अपना ड्रीम कंप्लीट कर सकती हूँ मैम।
इट्स एन इक्वल प्लेजर, हमारे लिए भी बहुत ही अच्छी बात है दैट आप जैसे women like you are here with us. निशा,
Yes.
आपकी रैम वॉक के साथ शुरू करें? Can we have
Yes,
2 rounds? Yeah.
yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Wait.
Thank you, Nisha. Thank you so much. You can sit back and I'll get back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Ankita, who is the only one who has been applauding everybody since I have been noticing virtually. Hi, Ankita. How are you?
Hi, Harry. How are you? I'm really good. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Please proceed with the
Uh,
introduction.
yeah, sure. So, hi, my name is Ankita. I am from Khopoli. So, it's a small town near Lonavala. I hope I'm audible to you. Actually, the network is fluctuating, so I'm just rechecking. Sorry.
You can go ahead, yeah.
Yeah, so I am from a small town named Khopoli. It's near Lonavala. I recently turned 25 years old, and it's my hobbies. Basically, I love dancing. I want to be a professional dancer. I love singing as well and acting as well. Actually, when I was a kid, I used to go to these acting camps, and it's been really good since then. Since past 2 years, I'm working as an HR professional. I'm actually doing good, but I'm not happy doing this, and I want to pursue acting ahead. So from this platform, I hope that would come ahead, and I want to live a little sparkle wherever I go. So that's what I actually believe in. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And everyone looks really pretty. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankita. Thank you. And it takes a lot of courage to talk about your personal ambitions, along with telling out that I'm not happy doing what I'm doing because this is my final ambition. So kudos to that. I would request you to start with your Rambok.
Sure. I hope I'm visible to you.
Yeah, the frame would work. You could start.
Yeah. All right. Fine.
Thank you, Ankita. Thank you so much. I'll get back to you in a while and let me hear it from Kumud Gupta. Hi, Kumud.
हेलो मैम।
हाय, कैसी हैं आप?
बढ़िया मैम, थैंक यू।
अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए प्लीज।
आई एम अ टीचर since last 20 years. I am in education field, and my association with FSA is last year. Within 2 years, last year I have received certificate from the real Superwoman. I can see as you can see from your platform only. So the best educator of that field, and it's amazing to see that the age group of my student as well as teacher is equally participating in same event. So I'm 44-year-old. My daughter is pursuing for engineering. So that's it.
Okay, so first of all, congratulations, Kumud, for the award last year. It's an honor to have you here today. And I'm really, appreciative of the fact that you did not stop there. This shows the women of India of today who are really, really passionate. There is no limit to it. There is no end. You should always keep growing. So thank you so much. Kumud, अब मुझे ये बताइए कि आपकी hobbies क्या क्या हैं? What do you enjoy? I'm sure you love educating, and since you are a teacher, apart from that,
as such, hobbies, if I say, is starting from the dance, listening to music, narrating stories, and as a storyteller, I'm very good at. And what to say then, I'm very good writer also. So various books have been published, and motivator, educator, and just I'm trying to be like part of this platform also for the beauty pageant and all. One should explore and experiment everything. I mean,
Absolutely.
yeah.
So, Kumud, can we please have your ramp walk?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Kumud. Thank you so much. You could sit back and let's hear it from Madhuri till then. Hi, Madhuri.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
On कीजिए please.
वीडियो ऑन करके एक मिनट. Hi ma'am, good evening ma'am.
Good evening, Madhuri. How are you? कैसी हैं आप?
मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ और आप कैसे हैं?
मैं बहुत ही अच्छी हूँ, बस डिनर का वेट कर रही हूँ. आप बताइए कि आप अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
First of all, thanks to all to giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Madhuri Danane from Maharashtra in Satara city, and my age is 26 years old, and I am my profession is I am an electrical engineer, and my hobby is dancing, reading books, and learning new things, and that's it.
So अब ये बताइए कि आपका इस प्लेटफॉर्म के साथ क्या सपना जुड़ा है? Why do you want to win the crown?
Because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए मैंने एक अपनी आइडेंटिटी बनाने के लिए मैंने ये किया है, और लाइफ में मुझे बहुत एक्सपीरियंस लेने हैं कि क्या इस इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है, उसमें क्या मुझे अच्छा लगता है. अपने आप को एंटरटेन करना और अपनी लाइफ को न्यू थिंग्स से एक्सप्लोर करना मुझे अच्छा लगता है, इसलिए मैंने इस इवेंट पे पार्टिसिपेट किया.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने, and I'm sure you're going to go do great, Madhuri ji. And can we please have your walk?
हाँ, yes, एक मिनट.
Thank you, Madhuri. Thank you so much. Let's hear it from Pragati till then. Hi, Pragati. Hi, how are you?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening and good evening, everyone. Ma'am, first I call to say you are looking very beautiful. And I noticed.
Thank you. Thank you. That's really sweet. And Pragati, can you please have your introduction?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Myself, Pragati Tiwari, and I belong to Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh, and I am an UPSC aspirant, ma'am. And I am also a player, Taekwondo, national level. And Modeling is my hobby, ma'am. And ma'am, I am comfort in Hindi, so I can
Yes,
tell.
yes, absolutely. पूछने की भी जरूरत नहीं. Please.
मैम मैं एक ताइक्वांडो प्लेयर हूँ, नेशनल प्लेयर हूँ मैम. मैंने वहाँ से सिल्वर मेडल विन किया है. ये मेरी मैम जैसे ही जब से मैंने मॉडलिंग वगैरह जाना है तब से एज ए मेरी एक हॉबी हो गई है कि मुझे एक बार यहाँ पे जाना चाहिए. एंड हमारी सोसाइटी में क्या होता है मैम, लोग से क्या है ना कि मॉडलिंग करोगी, छोटे छोटे कपड़े होते हैं, ये वगैरह वगैरह काफी सारे इश्यूज होते हैं. ठीक है, तो मैं उस मेंटालिटी को थोड़ा दूर करना चाहती हूँ. मैं वहां पे जाना चाहती हूँ, ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि ये कोई गलत लाइन नहीं है, यहाँ पे सभी जा सकते हैं. एंड ये इसमें भी आप अपना करियर बना सकते हो. बट इट्स माय हॉबी, नॉट अ पैशन. एंड आई वांट टू बिकम एन IAS मैम. इट्स माय बिग ड्रीम.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pragati. Can we please have your walk?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pragati. Thank you so much. Let's hear from Falguni. Falguni, if you could hear me. हाय, आप म्यूट पे हैं. प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. How are you, Falguni?
How are you?
I am good. Please go ahead and introduce yourself.
Just a second. Can I start now?
Yeah.
My name is Falguni. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Gurgaon, and my hobbies are dancing, singing, painting, drawing, and I'm pursuing a BSc in hotel management from IHM Gurdaspur. And I want to become a model because it's my childhood dream, actually.
Okay, Falguni. Okay, I got your point. And can we please have your walk? Yes, yes, you are visible. Please go ahead. All right. Thank you, Falguni. Thank you so much. Let's hear it from Ayushi till then. Hi, Ayushi. Ayushi Srivastav.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. Please go ahead with the introduction.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Ayushi Srivastav. I am 22 years old. I belong from Itaga, UP. I have graduated with my degree in Bachelor of Technology. Currently, I'm doing job in Noida. I got a title of Miss UP from Miss Stilo India 2021 PT present, and I always look forward for my family. My hobbies are crafting and traveling. I believe in success. I believe in hard work and success will follow me. Thank you.
Okay. So Ayushi, what brings you here? Why do you want to win the crown?
Actually, modeling is my dream. So I want to represent myself, my town, my city, my country, That's why. Yeah.
Okay, and if I may ask, Ayushi, I missed out on your hobbies part, so if you could repeat that, it would be great.
My hobbies are crafting and traveling.
Okay, okay. So can we please have your book?
Yes, ma'am. Let me set it. Please let me know if I'm visible. Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you can start. Thank you, Ayushi. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, ladies, that was indeed a good job. And thank you for your patience, first of all. I really appreciate each one of you for being so patient throughout the process. And it was an absolute pleasure talking with each one of you. And I am sure you must have realized by now कि आप लोग एक दूसरे से कितने अलग हैं. You guys are so different and so unique, and of course, extremely beautiful women. But still, the one thing that binds each one of you is the passion to create a unique identity for yourself. अपनी एक अलग पहचान बनाना ही आप सबका एक intrinsic मकसद है, and we are here for you. So thank you so much, and kudos and congratulations for completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. This is just the beginning. अब थोड़ी सी और पेशेंस, बिकॉज जैसे आप लोगों ने हमें अपने बारे में बहुत ही खूबसूरती से बताया, हम भी चाहते हैं कि आपको हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में, आपके प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में थोड़ी और डिटेल्स मिले, ताकि आपको पता चले कि आपका सपना हम किस तरह से पूरा करेंगे. So over to Shefali, the right person to talk about it, and then of course Bhavita will be taking over. So Shefali, over to you.
Thank you, Hari ma'am, for allowing me and giving me a chance to talk to these beautiful ladies, given their best performance of the audition. So first of all, congratulations to all of you, and you are looking beautiful. I can hear some of them were saying देखिए उनकी hobbies ये है, some of them कह रहे थे कि उनकी hobbies ये है, but आपको ये जरूर पता चल गया होगा कि आप लोग एक दूसरे से कितने different हो, कितने अलग हो, पर जिस प्लेटफॉर्म ने आप सबको combined लाके रखा है, this is the platform for you. And this platform name is Forever Star India. ये आप अब कभी नहीं भूलोगे, because it has created something in your mind which will stay always forever. और आपने कुमुद गुप्ता was a person जिससे आपने ये एक जानकारी gain करी होगी कि she was the superwoman, she was in the Superwoman Awards, and वो उन्होंने पहले कैसे किया था और आज भी वो हमारे से connected है. So connection का मतलब है lifetime membership जो कि हम आपको ऑफर कर रहे हैं. इसके साथ साथ में हम लोग आपको ट्रेनिंग्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे, एंड ट्रेनिंग्स विल बी विद 150 एक्सपर्ट्स. इसके बाद में आपका पार्टिसिपेशन का प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होगा. आपको जैसे जया मैम ने बताया कि आपको ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट मिलेगी, वहां पे आपको ये स्टेटमेंट दे रखा होगा कि वेदर यू आर सेलेक्टेड और नॉट सेलेक्टेड. इसके बाद में आपका पार्टिसिपेशन स्टार्ट होगा. सो पार्टिसिपेशन में benefits are there. There are huge lists of benefits, and the training sessions. There was silver training session with the 150 experts. Yes, 150 experts are there to guide you, because आपने अभी आज ऑडिशन दिया है, थोड़ा सा क्लैरिटी होगी कि हाँ ये चीज हमें कमी रह गई या ये चीज इम्प्रूवमेंट में चाहिए. वो चीज आपको आपका ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट बताएगी, एंड आगे आपको ये पता चलेगा कि कैसे आप इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. So there are approximate 5 training sessions, special training sessions with the image consultant, career consultant, ramp walk experts, influencer, makeup artist. These सारे training sessions are coming right away towards you. Why is it? So you must be excited, thrilled कि या अब आगे क्या होगा. जल्दी से जल्दी ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट कार्ड मिल जाए, अब पता चल जाए कि या आई एम सिलेक्टेड और नॉट सिलेक्टेड. फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द ट्रेनिंग सेशंस. सो आगे की बारी आएगी, सब कुछ आएगा, बट अब स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले एक एक्साइटिंग न्यूज हम आपसे शेयर करने जा रहे हैं, व्हिच इज द ग्रैंड फिनाले न्यूज। ये आप जानने की सोच रहे होंगे कि क्या होगा ग्रैंड फिनाले में, डेट्स क्या होंगी, what is the location, what is the everything. So we are there to tell you completely. So I would request Bhavyata, to brief you out about our grand finale, which is the very exciting news coming right towards. But before that, I would need all of you to give a big smile because audition finally complete हो गया है. Sunday को relax हो सकते हैं and tension free हो सकते हैं. So big thumbs up to you guys. I want a big double thumbs up, and that we could have the grand finale details. Over to you, Bhavita.
Thank you, Shefali ma'am. Hello everyone. I am Bhavyata Gupta, team member of Forever Star India Award. I am here to make a final announcement for the grand finale. I hope you all are very excited and we are too. So I want to share all the details about the grand finale. I know कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा excited है हमसे मिलने के लिए offline platform भी, हम भी आपसे मिलने के लिए उतने ही ज़्यादा excited है. So grand finale जयपुर में Marriott Hotel में होगा and the dates are 17th December to 20th December. So buckle up, clear your audition, enroll yourself to become a participant. I know you did very best. I know you will do it very best. So all the very best to all of you guys. We will meet soon. Over to Harry ma'am.
Thank you, Shefali. Thank you, Bhavita. So ladies, just to put a cherry on the cake, जैसे कि भव्यता और शेफाली ने already बता दिया है, so let me just give you a hint of everything that we have discussed so far. सबसे पहला process यहाँ से होगा आपकी audition report, because for us it is important that every effort of yours is appreciated. आज सुबह आप उठे, you gathered your courage, you put, you chose the right outfit, आपने कपड़े select किए, आपने heels पहनी, and you were like, I have to ace my audition no matter what. Now that is what takes courage, what takes immense confidence to sit across a virtual screen and talk to an absolute stranger about yourself. In concern to that, we will be appreciating that with an audition report, जो कि एक certificate की तरह act करेगा, which will be valid for a period of lifetime. Which means कि आपको Forever Star India के किसी भी audition में, pageant की audition में दोबारा नहीं बैठना पड़ेगा. That's the idea. And above that, the idea is to keep it very transparent, because for every effort you put in, you need to know where you stand. किसी भी जर्नी की शुरुआत करने से पहले आपको ये पता होना जरूरी है कि आप हैं कहाँ पे. What are your weak points? What are your highlight points? And that is what the audition report will tell you. Now, once you receive the audition report, you become a participant, a member of our FCR community. Now, why do I call it a community and not a pageant? Because the idea is to, combine and create a space for passionate women like you, and to ensure कि आपके talent को सही राह मिले और सही मौके मिले, ताकि आप हर level पे अपने आप को prove कर पाएं. And on the same lines, once you become a lifetime member, you receive numerous benefits. अगर मैं कुछ point out करने लगूं, so it would be the first and utmost would be the top Google ranking. Once you become a participant, आप जैसे ही अपना नाम Google पे डालेंगे, you will find your profile on the top. Yes. So be it Rachna, be it Sohani, be it any of you, for that matter, Aishi, Shomila, आप अपना नाम जैसे ही Google पे डालेंगे, आपको अपना नाम top पे मिलेगा by default. And this is for every participant, not just for the winners. And on the same lines, each of you will be receiving a unique hard copy certificate of participation, which will be, a beautiful, memorable concept to keep with you forever, and irrespective of you winning or not. And of course, फिर आपके training session शुरू होते हैं, which will be virtual with 150 plus experts, जैसे कि शिफाली ने बहुत ही अच्छे से बताया कि they will be different experts, stylists, designers, makeup artists, image consultants, हर field से experts आपको groom करेंगे virtually, and it will be ensured कि जैसे आज आप अपने घर के comfort से ये audition दे पाए, because we understand आप working या फिर student हैं, so it's very difficult for you to travel across the country to just get training sessions, right? So virtual training session होंगे to ensure कि आप अपने comfort से ये training access कर पाएं, experts को access कर पाएं, And of course, the finale is, जैसे कि भगवता ने बताया, it's in December. We all will be meeting the winners offline, because I'm sure crown पहनना किसी को भी online अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. You would want to wear it offline in that couture, in those couture gowns. So we are very, very excited. And the lifetime membership that you will receive post you become a member of Forever Star India will ensure कि इस platform से जो भी opportunity generate होगी, आपको उसका direct access मिलेगा. You will become an active team member, and for that you have to work hard, attend the sessions, regularly, give your finest foot forward. And for the business opportunities, there are huge number of chances that you will receive. For example, we might just collaborate with you. जैसे आप लोगों में से काफी लोग हैं जो yoga trainers हैं, या for that matter who are into different streamlines. We might collaborate with you as an expert next year. तो आप season 2 के participants को directly train कर पाएंगे without having to go through any hustle. Because I know, I am sure आपको पता होगा कि इस industry में it is so difficult for women to make safe contacts. जैसे हम एक audition का भी एक ad या logo देखते हैं, सबसे पहली चीज दिमाग में आती है कहीं ये fake तो नहीं है, because मेरी images जा रही हैं, my details are going into it. So we understand the delicacy of it, and we understand how important this is for you. And trust me, we are here to, give wings to your dreams, because it's, FCI is equal to its members. So thank you so much for today. Thank you so much for hearing us out so patiently. We are absolutely thrilled and excited to have you all in the, training sessions. All the best. Have a lovely evening ahead, and wait for your audition report, जो आपको 48 hours के अंदर, barring the Sunday, will be sent to you via WhatsApp or email, and you will receive all the clarity. I am pitching in social media details of Forever Star India into the chat box. आप लोग screenshot ले सकते हैं, and research well. Check out कि Forever Star India किस तरह के sessions कर रहा है. Even the audition will be uploaded on YouTube. That is the kind of transparency we intend to maintain, ताकि सब कुछ बहुत ही transparent हो. You should know what all we are going up to. So research before you invest. You all are smart, intelligent women, and that is what we aspire to bring upon this platform. Thank you so much. That is me, Bhavita and Shefali, signing off for the day. Lots of power to all you women out there. It was an absolute pleasure meeting all of you. Can't wait to see you guys in the training sessions. Take care and have a great evening ahead. Bye bye, guys.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, everyone.